Apple's iPhone 12 ranked best-selling 5G smartphone. This is coming from our friends over at Counterpoint Research. And the article here on Hypebeast, you didn't expect to see this on Hypebeast, Will. That caught your attention. Yeah, that caught your attention. Phones, tech is now hype. It's within the spectrum of hype, believe it or not. Apple's iPhone 12 became the world's best-selling 5G smartphone in October, despite having only 2 weeks of sales across the month. And like I said, this is according to Counterpoint Research. These guys have been on point in the past, providing us with tremendous data on the smartphone marketplace. Now, this is not really all that surprising, seeing as how the adoption of 5G, particularly in the U.S. market, North American market, hasn't been all that quick, even though we've had a variety of 5G devices available. It's really the networks that aren't quite ready for it. We had a story on the last episode about how 5G really wasn't delivering much beyond 4G in many markets in the U.S. on a variety of carriers. It really needs to catch up, but at least people who are picking it up now are a little bit future-proofed, and it turns out that many of those people who are ready for 5G are going to be on iPhones because the iPhone 12 is the first or the most popular 5G release according to this particular data. And that doesn't actually include the 12 Pro, which is also on the list, and it came in second place on the monthly rankings ahead of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, which is obviously an older phone at this point, so not too much of a surprise there. But anyways, the iPhone 12 is popular. We bought 100, so there's a bunch of 5G phones right there that we did for the giveaway. And that's the global charts for October, by the way. So it's not for, we don't have data for the entire year or anything like that. This may change as time passes, but for now, there's a couple of iPhone 12s out there.